Now, many of you are looking to connect your Save Club with your HBA Funnel Builder. In order to do that, we have one of the owners of HBA Funnel Builder, Mr. Mike Hobbs, and he is going to walk you through the steps on connecting your Save Club to your HBA Funnel Builder and getting this up and running. Take it away, Mike.
Hey, what's going on? Mike Hobbs here. I'm the co-founder of the Home Business Academy, where we created the product called the HBA Funnel Builder tool, which is the software that you're going to be using to load up the templates that Melvin and Mac created for you inside of their Save Club team. So with that, let's get right into it. So first off, if you have not set up your logins yet, you're going to see an email like this. It's going to say something like this. And you're just going to need to open up that email and click on this link right here. And it's going to take you to a page like this, where there's a video walking you through the different logins that you potentially can have inside of the Home Business Academy. So the ones that you'll want to pay close attention to for this video specifically is the HBA Funnel Builder tool login. You're going to want to set that up. And then you'll also want to set up your affiliate account and then get logged into both of those. It'll just make this whole process easier. So when you log into the HBA Funnel Builder account, it's going to look something like this. This is going to be the default page that just shows up there. Now we're going to add new pages in here. So we'll do that here a second. And then you'll also see something like this. This will be what the affiliate back office looks like. And then we'll be using this back office as we go. So those are the two things there. And so let's go ahead and just get right into loading up the templates that Melvin and Mac created for you. So over here, you're going to see a little button that says funnels. Okay, so you're going to click on funnels, and then it's going to show you all the different funnels in your funnel builder. So you're going to click on add new step and then page, and this is going to pull up all of the different templates. And so the specific category you're looking for is you're looking for the one that says Team Ghost. Okay, Team Ghost. You click on that, and then you'll scroll back up, and you're going to see the three different pages. Now it's important to load all three pages first, and then we'll edit them second, okay? So the first one is the capture page. We're just gonna go ahead and click select and name this whatever you want. So I'm just gonna name it Save Club Capture Page. And then you can name this part whatever you wanna name it. I like to keep it short. So something like that. And then just click on add. And so now the capture page is added. Now you're gonna go back over to funnels. Then you're gonna go to add new step. Page, and we're going to add the second page. So go back down to Team Ghost, then click on the second page here, the Save More page. Select that, and then we'll just do step 1, I Save Club. Now, I'd probably just name this step 1, like keep it short as possible, because this is actually going to be your domain name / whatever you have here. So it just makes it easier if you just keep this short. And we'll go ahead and add that. And then again, we're going to come back and edit this later. The third one, so we're going to go ahead and do page, and then we're going to go back down to Team Ghost. Go back up, select, and this one we're going to do step 2 by Funnel Builder. And again, I'll probably just name this step 2 like that, and then just click on add. Now the video might look different than this. The video wasn't uploaded at the time of this video, so if the page looks a little bit different, then just know that they've updated the page, so just use whatever loads up, okay? And so now that you have all three in your funnel stack here, if you don't want this first page, or you want to delete it or move it down, and you just want the capture page to take over the root domain, whatever is the number one spot, which you can move these around, whatever is in the number one spot is actually going to be on the root domain of your funnel builder and take over that. Now, if you want a custom domain, which I recommend you do, because then it's not this big long link, you can actually do that if you go into the Funnel Builders Academy right here, Funnel Builders Academy, and then under Funnel Builder Setup, there's a buying and integrating your custom domain. I recommend having a custom domain because then it makes your pages unique to you, and not everybody's using your domain. So when you come here, this will be your domain, whatever you choose.com, which I think is a lot more effective. And so that is right here under funnel domain settings. You can just integrate that following the training. You can also get there from funnel settings, domains. Okay, so that's where you would integrate your domain, and then whatever's on that first position is going to take over the root domain or whatever the root custom domain is. So anyway, that's how you do that. So you can reorder these. You can delete this one if you'd like. We'll just delete that one for now. And now you've got the three pages. Okay, so let's edit them one by one. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a capture page. Okay, Now with the capture page, there's only really one thing you need to edit on here, and that is the form. So you click on the form, you click on edit settings, and then right here, if you want a notification email when a lead comes through, you can put that there. And then right here, there's only really two things in here you need to edit, and that's the thank you page and potentially an autoresponder. So if you want to be able to follow up and email your leads, you'll need some kind of autoresponder. And we do have a training in the Academy on setting up your autoresponder right under Funnel Builder Setup, autoresponder integration. So you can use GetResponse, Aweber, or whatever your sponsor is using. Just ask them what they're using, and you can connect that to the Funnel Builder tool, okay? And then that would show up right here once you've added your autoresponder. So let me just show you. If I added something like GetResponse or Aweber, then that would actually populate in this edit settings here at the bottom, okay? And you'll be able to choose your list name if you're going to do that. Now, if you don't have an autoresponder in here, all of your leads will go into the contacts section, and you can manage them there or download them and upload them to an autoresponder later. That's totally fine too. So anyway, let's go back into the form, edit settings. The only thing you'll need to edit here is the thank you page. And then all you're going to do is choose the step 1, which is the next page in the funnel. So we're just going to go ahead and go to step 1, the Save by Save Club page. Select that, click out of it, and then click Save. And that's it for the capture page. Capture page done. So now on the step 1 page, you're going to need to edit a couple of the buttons, okay? So right here, there is Join Save Club. So you're going to click on this button, click on Edit Link, and then this is going to go to an external page because this is not a page inside of your builder. So you're going to have to click on External Link, and then just put whatever your Save Club URL is, okay? So you'll need to get that from the back office of your Save Club website. So I'm just going to use Dr. Money's link right there. That's what his would look like because I don't have a personal link, so we're just going to use his. And then I'm going to click Open in New Tab. It's important that it opens in a new tab versus the same tab. Otherwise, if you do same tab, it's going to take them off the page. And if they're still watching the video while they're getting started, you want them to stay on this page. So it's important to do New Tab. And then we're going to click Select. So that's it there. And then right here, this one, you're going to connect it to the next funnel step. So technically, if I click Edit Link here, it's already going to say Next Funnel Step. So that will technically work. But I actually like to make sure it works by choosing this dropdown and actually selecting the step 2, the Buy Funnel Builder step. And the reason I do that is because if you ever reorder your funnel steps in the wrong order, it could mess up that button. So I like to just manually choose it, and it doesn't matter where they're at in the funnel steps. Okay, and then I'm just going to select that. And then again, anytime we do any changes, you're going to click Save at the top. And that's it on this page. Literally just those 2 buttons, the Save Club, and then this goes to the next funnel step. So now let's go to the last step here, the step 2 page. Now this one, there's 2 buttons on the page. There's actually 4 buttons on the page. There's 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. But this button right here is automatically going to the training site that Melvin created. So you don't want to edit this one at all. In fact, I made it set up with code. So you don't want to mess with that code, okay? So just leave the step 3 alone on both the bottom and the top of these pages here, okay? And then right here is so basically you're just going to change the funnel builder link to yours. And so where you're going to get that is you're going to log into your affiliate back office. And this is what it's going to look like. And if you ever get lost, if you go back to the Academy, you'll see an affiliate. There's a funnel builder tab with the login tool there. And then there's an affiliate tab that has the affiliate login here. So those are great places to, if you ever get lost, to find where you need to go. So here's your affiliate back office. Couple things here. If you want your picture on the checkout page, click right here and click on upload website image. This will actually put your picture on the checkout page, which is pretty cool. And people will know who they're joining. Okay. So again, that's right here. Click there and then click website image. And then go over to marketing materials. If you don't see the sidebar, you can expand the sidebar like this. Okay. And then just click marketing materials and then your affiliate links. All right. So the specific link that you're going to want to use is actually at the bottom, towards the bottom right here where it says the HBA Funnel Builder checkout. It's important you use this link because the video is going to do all the explaining and selling. And so you're just sending them straight to a checkout page. So you click copy link to clipboard. And also just something to be aware of. you need to use this link that you just copied. That's called your referral link or affiliate link. And what it's going to do is it's going to redirect to what's called a destination link. So it's important that you use the referral link because that's what codes them to you, not the destination link in any of your marketing. And I'll just show you an example of this. So if I go paste it in here, you'll see that it's a very long link. It starts with crusaders.thehomebusinessacademy.com. This is the link you want to use in your marketing. And you'll see when you actually go to the link itself, it redirects to a different URL, shop.thehomebusinessacademy. So some people, they'll copy and paste this and market it and they don't get credit for their sales. And they wonder why, because you're using the destination link. So it's important to use the link that you just copied. It starts with Crusaders, okay? So just the easiest way to do that is right here. You just click copy to clipboard, and that's the link you use. That's the link that you go over and paste into your funnel builder tool. So let's go over here to step 2. We'll click on this button, edit link, external link, paste it in. And again, new tab, okay, because we want them to stay on this page. And then select, okay? And then we'll scroll to the bottom and do the step 3 down here as well on this. It's important you do both buttons. External link, new tab, select, and then save changes at the top. And now your funnel is ready to go. That's how simple this funnel is. It's all set up, ready to go for you. You're just changing out the buttons to yours, and then this button will automatically work. And if you want to test your work, here's what you do. So you go back over to your funnel steps, go to the first step in the funnel, go ahead and click on your URL right here. Now this is the URL you're going to market this funnel with. And then you're going to just enter through just like you're a lead. So you just put your email in, show me the video, boom. Okay, now it has the video for the Save Club. And then let's test these links. So let's see that this goes to the right place. There it goes. It says Melvin. So perfect. And then let's see if this goes to getting this website. All right, so there it is. Look at that. Boom. We're now in this video. So we're going to go ahead and click on this button and see if this takes us to join the funnel builder. All right, it did. And just one thing to make sure is that your name is correct on this page. If your name does not show up here, then you got the wrong link. So you just want to make sure that everything's working. It's tagged to you. And so if your name shows up there, then you're golden. Now, again, if you put your picture, it'll show up here as well. So that's pretty cool. Now, it has to be approved through support. So it might take few hours for your image to be approved. But then once it's approved, then it's right on your website. But just to know that you got the right link, just check that your affiliate name is there. Okay. Then come back over here and do the step 3 link and just make sure it goes to the team training site. And it looks like it does. And so that's literally all you have to do to set up your funnel, and you are ready to go. And again, just some extra things you can do is give yourself a custom domain name by going through the academy here and going through these steps right here. And then if you want to find out anything else about our community and culture, I'd recommend you plug into some of our other products and trainings and live coaching in the back office. You can even go through our personal affiliate Fast Start training, which is really great. You can actually apply this Fast Start training to anything that you're building. And I feel like this is going to give you the fastest results possible if you would like to get some fast results. So anyway, that's it. Load up your funnel. Let us know if you have any questions. And welcome to the HBA Funnel Builder. And I'll see you guys on our next mastermind if you show up to one. So make it a great day, everybody. Bye for now.